Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Kiara and I'm the moderator for our group presentation today. Today, our group will present about reference question. We hope you can understand our explanation. Our group member are 1. Ariska Yuliantika, 2. Imeliana Putri Syifa, 3. Aisyah Aulia Syafa, 4. Az-Zahra Potia, 5. Stefanin Amelia, and 6. Miftahul Ilmi. Now, let's start the presentation. And the definition reference question is: reference questions are TOEFL reading questions that require you to identify the word, phrase, or idea that a pronoun or a referring expression point to in the passage. And two is characteristic or keyword.
So I will next to the characteristic and keywords in reference questions in TOEFL reading. Pada dasarnya, these questions itu usually look like what does X refer to, yang dimana ini berarti we need to find the word or idea a pronoun points to. Second, the most common targets are simple pronouns like it, they, this, that, these, and those. And sometimes you will also see which, such, the former, or the latter. Next, the key strategy is to look at the context before the pronoun. Jangan lupa juga, the word itu usually refers to a previous word or idea, not just the closest noun you see. Also, check the number like singular or plural. Yang misalnya, it itu singular, they itu plural. So when you face a reference questions, just focus on the pronoun, read 1 or 2 sentences around it, and choose the option that fits logically with the idea it's referring to. Simpelnya, sekalipun bisa cukup tricky, if you don't check the context carefully, everything is okay in reference and questions like that.
Okay, I will next in example question. Now, example question number 1 is inference question. On sentence, I need copy.
And next, 3 example question.
Two, factual information. What is the other question? What is the capital city of Indonesia? This underscore is Surabaya, Jakarta, Bandung, Medan. The correct answer is Jakarta. Because this is a direct factual fact, Jakarta is Indonesia. Karena dia menanyakan apa? Fakta sebuah faktual, maka dia perlu menyebutkan fakta dari Kabupaten Indonesia itu sendiri. Next to negative factual. On question, which of the following is not a type of transportation? The answer choice is A, bicycle, airplane, table, and D, train. The correct answer is table. Now, because a table is not a means of transportation, well, the other option are. Jadi, pertanyaan ini menanyakan bahwa sebuah ketidakbenaran. Manakah yang tidak termasuk dalam transportasi? Maka jawabannya adalah C. Karena C yang berarti meja bukanlah termasuk dalam golongan transportasi seperti itu. Well done.
Four, strategy for solving. 1. Identify pronouns reference. 2. Trace antecedents. 3. Check for appropriateness of meaning and logis. 4. Check for proximity. 5. Check for contextual consistency. 6. Use the rule of clarity.
Next, number 5. Common mistake to avoid atau kesalahan yang harus dihindari. Number 1, the proximity trap atau perangkap kedekatan. Sometimes the pronoun does not refer to the noun close to it. You should not choose the nearest noun automatically. Always check which noun gives the correct meaning even if it is farther away in the sense. Number 2, ignoring number agreement atau mengabaikan kesesuaian jumlah. Make sure the pronoun and the noun match in number. Use it or this for singular nouns. Use they or these or those for plural nouns. If the number does match, the sense becomes grammatically incorrect. Number 3, skipping the meaning checks atau skip mengecek makna. A pronoun can follow the number rule but still make the sense illogical. So always replace the pronoun with your answer choice and read the whole sentence again. If the meaning does make sense, the answer is wrong.
Okay, now let's look number 6 is supporting visual section. This diagram helps us understand how to answer reference questions clearly. At the top, we have the pronoun or reference word. In this example, the pronoun is they. This is the word the question asks about. Next, in the middle, we have the possible reference. These are the nouns in the passage that might be what they refer to. For example, is scientists and researchers. This option helps us think about which noun makes the most sense in context. Finally, at the bottom, we have the concert reference, the true answer after checking meaning and context. In this example, the correct reference is scientist. So this visual reminds us to identify the pronoun, compare possible nouns, and choose the one that fits logically in the sentence. Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you to my group for the explanation and thank you everyone for your attention and participation. Have a nice day. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.